Hey creators, welcome back to YouTube Tips by Blessing. If you are serious about growing your YouTube channel in 2025, you don't need to spend a lot of money. There are powerful free tools that can help you create better videos, optimize your channel, and grow your audience faster. In today's video, I will share the 5 best free tools every YouTuber needs in 2025 and how you can start using them right away to save time and boost results. Stick with me to the end because I will review a bonus tool most creators don't even know about. So, you don't need expensive software or paid subscriptions to succeed on YouTube. What you need is the right free tools. Research videos ideas that actually get views. Design thumbnails that people click. Edit your videos without stress. Track your analytics the smart way and improve your SEO for higher ranking. Let's get into it. Here is your tool number 1. TubeBuddy is a free browser extension. One of the most powerful free tools is TubeBuddy. It's a browser extension that connects directly to your YouTube account. With the free version, you can research keywords so that YouTube rank your video higher in search, and you can use it to optimize your titles, your tags, and your descriptions. You can use it to compare thumbnails to see which one people are more likely to click, and you can also use it to track your competition and learn what is working for them. TubeBuddy is perfect for beginners who want to understand YouTube SEO and grow their channel faster. Here is your tool number 2, which is Canva. Next up is Canva. If you want your channel to look professional, you need eye-catching thumbnails, channel banners, and social media posts. Canva gives you thousands of free templates you can edit right on your phone or with laptop. With Canva, you can design clickable thumbnails with bold text and bright colors. You can use Canva to create intros and outros for your videos. You can use Canva to customize your channel art and even Instagram or TikTok promos. You don't need to be a graphic designer. Canva makes everything drag in and drag out, drop, and the free version is more than enough for most YouTubers. Here is your tool number 3, which is CapCut. Tool number 3 is CapCut, a free video editing app that works both on mobile and on desktop. With CapCut, you can edit long-form YouTube videos and shorts. You can add subtitles, you can add captions and effects. You can use stock music and sound effects for free. You can export in high quality without a watermark. Yes, CapCut is perfect if you don't have money for expensive editors like Premiere Pro or Final Cut. It's simple and it's fast and it's powerful enough for professional looking YouTube videos. So here is your tool number 3, which is YouTube number 4, YouTube Studio app. The 4th free tool is one that many creators forget: the YouTube Studio app. This is the official app from the YouTube that lets you manage your channel anywhere. With the Studio app, you can check your analytics in real time. You can see which videos are bringing in the most watch hours, and you can reply to comments quickly. With your Studio app, you can update your titles, your tags, and your description on the go. This app is a must for tracking your progress and understanding your audience. Remember, data is power. The more you study your analytics, the faster you grow. So here comes your tool number 5, which is VidiQ. It's a free version. The fifth free tool is VidiQ, just like TubeBuddy. VidiQ is a browser extension that helps you with SEO and growth. With the free version, you can get keyword ideas to know what people are searching for. You can analyze your competitors' top videos and see the best time to upload for your audience. You can get daily videos idea based on your niche. VidiQ and TubeBuddy are like brothers. Some creators use one, others use both. The key is to use whichever feels easiest for you. So here is the bonus tips that I promise. Here is a bonus. If you ever need free stock videos or photos for your content, websites like Pisa and TubeBuddy are lifesavers. They are totally free, copyright safe, and perfect for adding B-roll footage to your YouTube videos. So those are the 5 free tools every YouTuber needs in 2025. Number 1 is TubeBuddy. Number 2 is Canva. Number 3 is CapCut. Number 4 is YouTube Studio. And number 5 is VidiQ, plus a bonus for stock videos. If you want to grow your YouTube channel fast without spending money, start using these tools today. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to YouTube Tips by Blessing, and check out my other videos on how to get 4,000 watch hours fast. I will link them right here. Thank you for watching.